What's up, y'all? Truckers Life, and we back, baby. Cowboys Nation still all day, every day. Y'all see. But hey, we got another delicious meal coming. Yesterday, I got a comment. Oh, such a small pot for a seafood boil. I'm in my truck. Y'all expect me to pull out this big ass 10-gallon pot? No, can't do that in here. But we're gonna do something special today. I'm not gonna tell you what it is till it is, so you better stay tuned. Hey, we got Wagyu. Oh, I can't turn it upside down. I already opened it. Got Wagyu, ground Wagyu right here. Put that in the pot. Let me put y'all down here now, where y'all can see what I'm doing. Y'all see? Yeah, I got that too. I'm a Cowboys fan through and through. Smash it down. It'll crumble better when I cook it. When it starts to cook, a little more. We're gonna take this rotel, put it in. I had to get a clean spoon. I don't want to start this with. I don't want to go in here with a dirty spoon because I'm not using all of it. I'm going to use a good amount of it. Use about half of it. Yeah, that's about half. There we go. There we go. Put this over here. I'll get a bag in a minute for it. We got some fire roasted serranos. I'm going to put these in here. Also has onions in it. These are small serranos, so you know what? I'll be back. I didn't realize that they were whole. So I'll be right back. Let me cut these up. Alright, here we go. Got them chopped up real nice. See? There we go. Okay, now we're gonna come with the salt, pepper, garlic, that's good right there. Ooh, my nose. Some onion powder. And we're gonna let this cook down just like this. Of course, I'm gonna mix it around as it cooks, but we'll be back. All right, y'all, we back, and we got a biscuit flattened out with some habanero jack cheese. We're gonna scoop some of this meat on top. We're gonna make this extra cheesy, so y'all better be ready. There we go, 2 scoops is good. There we go, let's put this over here. Grab, there it is. Some, I don't know what they call it Mexican, but it's just cheddar jack. We're gonna put a good amount of that over here. And we're gonna fold it up. See, just fold it up like that, like a dumpling. Close that, put it over here. Pick it up, close it up. Real nice, see? Just close it up. You just sway it around. Kind of flatten it out a little bit, even it out. See? Oh, there's a hole right there. Shit. Okay. So I know what I'm gonna do with that. Take a piece from up here, stretch it over that right there. Just stretch it out a little bit. We got enough. Fold it, fold it, fold it, fold it. We'll just leave it like that. Because in some spots, because it's all done by hand, there's some spots that are thicker than others. So we're gonna love on it. We're gonna leave it just like this. We're gonna leave it just like this, y'all. Just fold it and love on it. Fold it and seal it. And I just busted another part open. It's fine. It's fine. I'm not even gonna worry about it. I'm gonna take the other pot, the other pan I have. We're gonna move it. Okay, so we know the next one, I'm gonna have to put about a scoop and a half in it of meat. All right, y'all, we're gonna cut the chipotle peppers up into. We're gonna dice them up into small pieces. This is for the sauce. This is not for the meat or anything. As y'all see, these are almost done. These are waiting for these to get done so I can put these on here. So I'm gonna cut these up and I'll be back. All right, y'all, we're gonna take these chipotles that I just chopped up. We're gonna put them into this sour cream tub. All of them. Trust me, this is delicious. Put that in there. There we go. Some lime juice. There we go. A little bit of salt, a little bit of onion powder, just a little bit. We're not putting no more garlic because we got enough garlic in the meat and the biscuit. And then we just go mix it around and I'll be back. All right, y'all, we're going inside to see if we can get a taste test done. Let's see. Go, watch this, y'all. We got another taste test.
Thank you, thank you. Oh, yes.
Oh, no problem.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. Wait,
This looks amazing.
Wait till you bite into it.
Man, can I break one in half?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, you can.
Thank you so much.
Watch
You
this.
are a gem for doing this. All right. Here's the taste test.
Okay. First without, and then I'm gonna do
No,
with or with.
I'm doing with.
Okay.
Oh my god.
And this is made 100% in my truck.
Man, this is awesome.
A little bit of spice, not too much, but
Love the jalapenos. So you're gonna hang out for a while? You can cook for us every night.
Oh yeah, please.
I told you what. You tell me what you need for me to bring in now.
Yeah.
I told you guys I cook in my truck. You guys thought I was joking.
No, everybody does, but I like you were talking good stuff. Woo!
My steaks didn't thaw out in time, so I went with my ground Wagyu.
Man.
Oh my god.
So this way, people on TikTok see that my food don't just look good; it actually tastes good.
Very good. Very good.
And this is actually for you guys.
Really?
If you guys want to find another worker to share,
have another worker.
okay, I'll pause it and you can invite them in.
All right.
I do as much.
Normally eat at the counter.
Yeah. We don't
I
eat at their
Oh, I get that all the time.
Well, when a customer brings
I get that all the
food in for
time.
you to try, you try it.
Yep.
This is amazing.
You guys here? We're not done.
Yes. Okay.
We got one more left to go.
Taste of his homemade